Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Electrum wallet. Electrum is popular lightweight Bitcoin wallet. To log in to Electrum wallet, you need to first open your Electrum application on your mobile phone. After this, you'll be taken to new wallet section. Now here you need to first enter your wallet name on the given line. After this, click on next option on the down. Now, you need to select what kind of wallet you had created when you created your Electrum wallet. I am going on with my standard wallet. Then tap on next on the down. Now here you can see you can log in using two methods. One is by your seed and another is by your master key. I am going to use my seed. So tap on I already have a seed option. Then tap on next on down. After this, you need to enter the 12 words that are seeds on Electrum wallet that you have used to create your Electrum wallet. You need to make sure that you enter the seeds in the correct format. After entering the seeds on the correct format, you need to tap on next option. After doing so, you need to enter the wallet password if you have set your wallet password while creating Electrum account. You need to first enter your password and then you need to again enter the password. After this, you need to tap on finish option on the down. With this, now you'll be able to log in to your Electrum wallet account. As you can see here, I have been logged into my Electrum wallet account. This is how we can log in Electrum wallet. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.